Now that you've learned how to sync your iPod with your computer and play music, video, audiobooks, and podcasts, we'll show you a few more things so you can have the best possible experience using your iPod. With iTunes 7, it's easy to back up all or part of your iTunes library. Just go to the File menu and select Backup to Disk. Now you can choose to back up your entire library, including your playlists or just items you've purchased from the iTunes Store. Also, notice you can select this option so that you don't waste any time or disk space with items you've already backed up. Now just click here and insert disks as iTunes prompts you to. When you're done, it's a good idea to create labels for your disks. Just insert each backup disk and select it here under Devices. Now go to the File menu and select Print. You can print a jewel case insert or a page that lists your backup date and all the files it contains. If you want, you can restore these files on any computer with the latest version of iTunes. It's important to note that you can back up movies and TV shows from the iTunes Store to a DVD, but they can't be played in your home DVD player. Another way to move music and video from your iPod to a new computer is to transfer your purchases. First, make sure your new computer is authorized by selecting Authorize Computer from the Store menu. With your iPod connected to your new computer, go to the File menu and select Transfer Purchases from your iPod. Watch as all purchased music and video on your iPod is transferred from your iPod to your computer, including album information and artwork. This feature works with anything you buy from the iTunes Store. If you want to move your library, you can use your iPod as a hard disk. Open iPod Preferences and just make sure you've selected this option. Now, if you have enough available space, you can copy files from your computer to your iPod, just like it's an external hard drive. As long as you've selected to automatically copy files to the iTunes Music folder, you can just drag your entire library to your iPod. You can also drag other types of files to your iPod to take them with you. Now disconnect and then connect your iPod to your new computer. Copy files from your iPod by just dragging them into iTunes. If you've copied music and video you've purchased from the iTunes Store, you'll just need to authorize your new computer to play your purchased music and video. To learn more about all the things your iPod can do, see the iPod Features Guide. You can get it from iTunes by viewing iPod Help in the Help menu.